Where's the nearest bus stop?
It's just around the corner on Main Street.
How much is a bus ticket?
It's $2.50 for a single ride.
What time is the next train?
It arrives at 3:45 p.m.
Can I buy a ticket here?
Yes, there's a ticket machine over there.
Where do I catch the metro?
Go down the stairs and follow the signs.
Is this the right platform for the train to Boston?
Yes, this is platform 2 for Boston.
How long does it take to get to the airport?
About 40 minutes by train.
Can I use a contactless card?
Yes, just tap it on the reader.
Where can I get a timetable?
You can find one at the information booth.
How do I transfer to another line?
Take the red line, then switch to the blue at Central Station.
Where's the exit?
Just follow the signs to the exit.
Do I need a ticket for my luggage?
No, luggage is free.
Is this seat taken?
No, go ahead and sit down.
How do I validate my ticket?
Use the yellow machine before boarding.
Does this bus go to Central Park?
Yes, it stops there in 10 minutes.
What time's the last train?
The last train leaves at 11:30 p.m.
Can I bring my bike on the train?
Yes, but only in the last car.
Is there a discount for students?
Yes. With a student ID, you get 50% off.
How do I get to the city center?
Take the green line straight to downtown.
Where can I find a map of the metro?
There's one at every station and online.
Do I need exact change for the bus?
Yes, the driver doesn't give change.
How often do the trains run?
Every 15 minutes during the day.
Is this the express or local train?
This one is local and stops at every station.
What's the difference between express and local?
Express skips some stops. Local stops at all stations.
Can I eat or drink on the bus?
No, food and drinks are not allowed.
Are pets allowed on the train?
Only in a carrier or bag.
What should I do if I miss my stop?
Get off at the next one and go back.
Is it safe to ride at night?
Yes, but stay in well-lit areas.
Where can I report a lost item?
At the Lost and Found office near Platform 1.
What's the penalty for not having a ticket?
You could get a fine up to $100.
Can I get a weekly or monthly pass?
Yes, there are both options at the ticket booth.
How do I read this metro map?
Each color is a different line. Follow the numbers.
Will the driver announce the stops?
Yes, all stops are announced and shown on the screen.
What if the train is delayed?
You can check updates on the app or display board.
Is this seat reserved?
No, it's first come, first served.
Are there elevators or escalators?
Yes, near the exits and platforms.
How do I ask for help?
You can press the help button or talk to staff.
Can I use the same ticket for transfers?
Yes, within 90 minutes of your first ride.
Where can I charge my phone?
Some trains and stations have USB charging ports.
What should I do in an emergency?
Press the emergency button or call the help number.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, but only on buses, not trains.
What time does the first bus leave?
It leaves at 5:30 in the morning.
Is there Wi-Fi on the train?
Yes, most trains have free Wi-Fi.
How crowded does it get during rush hour?
Very crowded, especially between 7 and 9 a.m.
Where do I wait for the night bus?
At the special night bus stop near the main station.
Do I need to press the button to stop?
Yes, press the stop button before your stop.
Are there seats for seniors or disabled passengers?
Yes, they're in the front and marked clearly.
How do I cancel my trip if I make a mistake?
Use the app or speak to staff before boarding.
Can I take a stroller on board?
Yes, just fold it before entering.
Is this the last stop?
Yes, everyone must get off here.
Let's take a look at some useful vocabulary from today's lesson. Bus stop. A place where a bus picks up and drops off passengers.
The nearest bus stop is just around the corner.
Ticket. A paper or digital pass to ride public transport.
I bought a train ticket at the machine.
Platform. The area where you wait for a train.
The train to Boston leaves from platform 3.
Metro or subway. An underground train system.
I take the metro to work every day.
Timetable. A schedule showing arrival and departure times.
You can check the timetable near the platform.
Contactless card. A bank card you can tap to pay.
Can I use my contactless card on this bus?
Transfer. To change from one line or vehicle to another.
I need to transfer to the blue line at Central.
Exit. The way out of a station.
Follow the signs to the nearest exit.
Validate a ticket. To activate a ticket before travel.
Don't forget to validate your ticket.
Express train. A fast train that skips some stops.
The express train goes straight to the airport.
Local train. A train that stops at every station.
Take the local train if you need to stop at Park Street.
Fare. The cost of a ticket.
The fare is $2.50 per ride.
Route. The path or line a bus or train follows.
Which route goes to the city center?
Rush hour. The busiest time of day on public transport.
Trains are packed during rush hour.
Pass. Monthly pass. A ticket that works for several days or rides.
I bought a weekly bus pass.
Fine. Money you must pay for breaking a rule.
There's a $100 fine for riding without a ticket.
Lost and found. A place to report or find lost items.
I lost my phone, so I checked at the lost and found.
Priority seat. Reserved seating for seniors or disabled people.
Please give up the priority seat if needed.
Stroller. A foldable baby carriage.
You must fold the stroller before boarding.
Escalator. Moving stairs that carry people up or down.
The escalator to the platform is on the left.
Transfer window. The time you have to change transport without paying again.
You have a 90-minute transfer window.
Fare machine. A machine where you can buy tickets.
Use the fare machine to get a single ride ticket.
Route map. A map that shows train or bus lines.
I always check the route map before traveling.
Stop button. A button you press to request to stop.
Press the stop button before your station.
Student discount. A lower fare for students.
Show your student ID to get a discount.
Night bus. A bus that runs late at night.
The night bus runs every 30 minutes.
Final destination. The last stop on a route.
This is the train's final destination.
Crowded. Full of people.
The metro is always crowded during the morning.
Car, train car. One section of a train.
Bikes are allowed in the last car only.
Tap a card. To lightly touch a card on a reader to pay.
Just tap your card at the entrance. If you liked that video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with friends, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson.